So the first thing you're going to do is you go to padlet.com, then click Make a Padlet, and you'll find all of these different options of different layouts for the Padlets. One of my personal favourites is just a simple wall Padlet, which packs content in a brick-like layout. So click Select here. What you'll find is the background is already made for you. That can interfere with the children's Padlet messages because it can be a distracting background or too colourful. So what I do is I would change the background to a pastel colour. To do that, you go onto the gear cog here to modify, and you just change the wallpaper. So generally what I do is I go for a solid colour, or you can go for a textural pattern. So something like this is nice and simple, okay, and not very distracting. Then I change the title, so we can call ours Greek Mask Examples for 3A, for example. And then in the description, just write the instructions. Please upload a photo of yourself wearing your Greek mask. Make sure to write your name underneath so we know it's you. Then the next thing you must make sure you do, you must make sure that the children are able to post on this Padlet. And the way you do that, go to Share, click on Share here, and click on Change Privacy. Now by default, we have our privacy set to secret. So that's important to leave it as set as secret, so it's hidden from the wider public. But what you do need to make sure of is you change the visitor permissions from can read to can write. And by clicking on can write, children will be able to post Padlet messages and post Padlet photographs. Don't click it on can edit, because that will give them the ability to delete other children's posts and invite collaborators. So all we do is we click on can write and then click save, and the Padlet is ready to be shared on your Google Classroom. So just copy and paste this link and put it on the Google Classroom.